Oh, friends, running kimono here. So it is Sunday, July the 16th, and my goodness, this is a basket of magic, completely free with the 2 boosters and some digital coupons and minimal intelligence this morning. But I'm so happy, and I really wanted to try those Tide lights. So fantastic. If you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big, enthusiastic thumbs up, it would mean the world to me. It really helps out this video and my channel. If you could take a quick second and like this video, I would be so grateful. Yesterday, guys, I made a video where a subscriber reached out to me where some of her Walgreens cash was taken, and very spirited talk about it in the comments. And a lot of you shared stories about your CVS cards or Rite Aid cards where the money was taken. And it's just to kind of build an extra layer of security. If you missed this video, please check it out. Some very good information in it. And I appreciate everybody who took a second to share if they've ever had something goofy happen with their Walgreens account. I'm certainly surprised that it's just not a Reddit post, but a lot of people have. Before we dive into the deals, this is my thoughts about the $8 and $5 Charmin coupon that were there, that vanished, that were there, that vanished, and now they're vanished again. You can try and call customer service, but a lot of shoppers are saying customer service is saying, sorry, Charlie, once they're gone, they're gone. So walk softly, carry a big stick with this one. I personally would pass on it. We do not want drama and trouble, especially if you have a mean person customer service over at Walgreens, and that happens sometimes. But just be mindful of that, guys. Aunt Rach is hearing from a lot of you that it's just problematic. Let's hop into the deals. So my favorite best friend is back, and sorry, the store I went to this morning, nothing was tagged. Nothing was tagged. So these are buy two, get back $1 register reward, and it's Dawn. So let's stock up. 2 of those is $2.48. I would use $2 in Walgreens cash, pay the 48 cents, get back $1 register reward, and we're doing it without a booster. Nothing like a spend 40, get back 20, that sort of a thing. We're just doing this one on its own. And you know what? It's just an easy deal. And the first couple deals that we're looking at is boosterless. If you have no boosters, but you just want to go shopping, that's what we're looking at. And here's my register reward. Yay. The next one is buy one, get 2 for free on the complete home bags. Very similar to Ziploc if you're asking about that. Grabbing 3 of the bags at $2.79. It shakes it out to 93 cents for like a box of like freezer bags. Like fantastic price point. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, and it's just a fabulous deal. Now, this deal is the deal of the week on the Dove body wash. You're going to grab either the men or the women, or if you want to mix and match, you can do that as well. They are $7 a pop this week. I grabbed 2 of the men. And the promotion for this is when you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward this week. And I believe that's a deal of the week. So if you're doing other deals of the week, you're going to have to do them in separate transactions. This is the really great coupon that we have, which is a 7 off of 2. Load it, guys. Grabbing 2 of these body washes, it's 14 on the nose. Subtracting that 7 off 2 digital, you're going to pay 7 out of pocket. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. But to pay $1.50 for this premium body wash, I mean, that is unheard of, and it is Dove. It's not Dial or Soft Soap. It is the really great body wash. I think right behind Olay. I'm an Olay snob, guys, but very good price point for $1.50. The next deal that we're going to look at, and sorry guys, I thought I took photos in the store, but I think, I don't know, my brain was somewhere else, so blame it on Barry, but this is what we got. A very fancy Schick razor for $9.99, a Schick disposable for $6.99, the one in the center, and then a can of shaving cream for $3.49, equaling $20 this week. The promotion for this is when you spend $20, you're getting $5 back in Walgreens cash. Because this is a spend offer, for the balance, you got to use your debit card. We're going to load the following digital coupons, which is the $1 off for the Edge or Skintimate. So if you want to grab the ladies one, you can do that as well. I grabbed the men's one. We have the $3 for the disposable. And then for the very fancy one, we have a $4 digital. So make sure you load all of these. I mean, how fabulous is this deal? So just to jog you through the math one more time, the Schick disposable for $6.99, the Edge shave gel for $3.49, the Schick fancy for $9.99, for a total of $20.47. $8 in digitals that I showed you in the slides previous is melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $12.47, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $7.47 for the 3 or $2.49 per shaving product. Remember, as this is a spend offer, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Okay guys, so this is what I stacked today. I got a 10 back when you spend 50 that came out of the Catalina machine, and I think most of us got this one, which is 20 back when you spend 40. So I'm buying a $50 basket and right off the cuff getting $30 back. Wow. So this is what I grabbed. 2 of the Tide Lights, they're 2 for 20. I think they're like $13.99 a pop, so that's expensive. We have a $3 digital, and then I had some goofy $5 off any P&G, so that's why I bought it. I also grabbed some of the Schick disposable that we went through, 2 of the Dove Men for 14, and then 2 of the Dawn. So pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to go through every single item or this will be a 17-hour video. Okay, so just to show you the one item that wasn't included and no register reward printed for this. I know there was one printing for a while, but it stopped. So I grabbed 2 of the Tide Lights, which are 2 for 20 this week, and we have a $3 off, and it attached perfectly. And then I also had this goofy register reward, which is a 5 off any P&G product. And it scanned perfectly for me. So yeah, I was really happy about that and to utilize it because it's expiring tomorrow. So I had to use it pretty quick. So I just used it on this little deal. But I'm not going to factor it into the math because a lot of people get mad at me when I do that. Anywho, looking at the math for this Ponderosa basket, we have 2 of the Dove Men for 14, 3 of the Schick shaving products for $20.47, 2 Dawns for $2.48, and 2 Tide Lights for $20. So the total is $56.95. I really went above and beyond that $50 mark. So if you want to not include the Dawn, maybe that's a smarter way to look at it. I had my digital booster loaded, which is 20 back when you spend 40, and then that paper booster of 10 back when you spend 50. Mrs. Cashier scanned it for me. I also had $18 in digitals melting off the Schick, the Tide, and for the Dove body wash, so that is quite a bit. With your debit card, using no extra register rewards, you would pay $38.95. If you have manufacturer register rewards, by all means throw them in. And then I got back $35 in Walgreens cash, 20 for the digital booster, 10 for the paper booster, and 5 for Schick for spending 20 on the shaving products. And then I also got back $5 in register rewards, making this haul free and a $1.05 money maker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using 2 boosters. But what a rush and what a haul. I might have to do this again because I love everything in this basket. Just want to show you guys the register rewards we're printing. It's like everything worked out perfectly for me. And I did use a couple manufacturer register rewards. They attached to the Dawn, and I asked the cashier very nicely to scan every item so the digitals and my manufacturer register rewards would attach. Everything was perfect. And then these 2 printed out. So it was like really, really fantastic. Now, one thing I just wanted to mention, on one of my store cards, this is my 3rd purchase towards getting to this promotion of make 6 purchases at 50, get back your $50 in Walgreens cash. It's the 16th. We're halfway in the month, so I hopefully will finish this month. But this was just a really good example. Yep, it's a little bit out of pocket, but the bigger picture, I'm also going to get something at the end with this, so it's fantastic. And for the curbside deals, we're going to look at those tomorrow. And there's also a beauty promotion this week that's online only. We're also going to look at that as well sometime this week. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.